Ouch, this brand new Dodge Ram got smashed. Just had a vinyl wrap put on it and luckily protected the paint pretty nicely, but we're going to fix this damage without repainting this vehicle or changing anything about it using the very valuable paintless dent repair method. We're doing this in a matter of hours, no body shop needed, and the customer gets to keep the original paint. So here's the process here. We're getting it prepped down and ready for a glue pull setup. So we're going to get this glue nice and hot, and in an effort to apply these straps with the glue right directly to the paint so that we can basically pull the damage and take some of the stress off of the really deep impact areas of this repair. You can see that glue is about 300 to 350 degrees, and that's going to give us a really strong bond on that paint. You can see as we apply that tension that a lot of the metal just kind of walks up. We took the stress off it. Now we're going to focus on slowly shaping this metal back into position, and we're using these specialized tools from the backside. You can see we're using these rods to push the metal. We're using the light fixture to actually see where our tool is and kind of locate it, and then slowly pinpoint with accurate pushes this metal back into its original factory state. And very fine detailed pushes. This takes hours. This is not a 1, 2, 3 quick repair. However, it's much faster than a traditional or conventional way of fixing it. And I can't leave out the undeniable fact that not only is it a faster repair in most cases, it's also a much higher quality repair because, listen, nothing changes about this vehicle during the process of repairing it. So you get to retain the original paint and parts. Why is that important? Because the original paint is the most resilient and best quality paint you'll ever receive. So keep it original with the very valuable paintless dent repair method. I appreciate you watching this video. Hopefully you learned a little something new. If you have any questions, visit the website cfldentrepair.com. For advanced paintless dent repair training inquiries, please fill out the contact form under the training portion of the website. Thank you.